Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the chaotic world of consumer products so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're soaring high with two fantastic drones. The ATTOP Drone W10 on my left and the FOCJANK Brushless motor drone on my right. And yes, I said FOCJANK. No, it's not a typo. So, without further ado, let's dive into the nitty-gritty and see which of these flying gizmos deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, the ATTOP W10. This bad boy comes with a 1080p camera and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's perfect for beginners who want to capture their backyard BBQs or their dog's latest misadventure. And with the FPV mode, you can pretend you're a bird. Just don't try to eat worms. Now, the FOCJANK drone also boasts a 1080p camera, but with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. It's perfect for those high-drama shots of you taking out the trash. Plus, with that motorized lens, you can adjust the angle mid-flight. It's like the drone is saying, no, let's get your good side. When it comes to flight features, both drones have a lot to offer. The ATTOP W10 is beginner-friendly and supports toss to launch, so you can literally throw it into the air. It also has headless mode, altitude hold, and can do 360 degrees flips. It's basically the Cirque du Soleil of drones. FOCJANK's drone, on the other hand, is like the Navy SEAL of drones. It's got lovely wind resistance, so it can handle a breezy day without spiraling into your mom's rose garden. It also comes with cool features like optical flow positioning and custom path flight. You can draw a path on your phone, and the drone follows it. It's like having a well-trained flying pet, minus the poop. The ATTOP W10 is all about options. You can control it via app touch, voice, gravity sensing, gesture, or remote control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of control methods. You can even toss it to launch. This drone is basically your new best friend, but without the emotional baggage. FOCJANK's drone also offers multiple control methods, including gesture control for selfies. Finally, a way to take that perfect high-angle shot without asking a stranger who doesn't know how to use your phone. Plus, with its 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission, you can enjoy smooth, no-lag video. It's like Netflix for drones. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The ATTOP W10 is priced at a wallet-friendly $69. That's cheaper than a dinner date that goes horribly wrong. Meanwhile, the FOCJANK drone will set you back $119. It's a bit pricier, but remember, you're paying for those brushless motors and that fancy adjustable camera. Let's see what reviewers have to say about these drones. The ATTOP Drone W10 gets mixed reviews. Some praise its user-friendly features, robust build, and high-quality camera, making it a great value for beginners. However, others mention issues like drifting during flight, limited range, and responsiveness problems. On the other hand, the FOCJANK brushless motor drone also receives a mix of reviews. While many appreciate its quietness, smooth flying, and good hover capabilities, some users have experienced connectivity issues and even lost drones. Despite these issues, FOCJANK's customer service has been praised for their responsiveness and willingness to help. So there you have it, folks. Both drones have their strengths and quirks. If you're a beginner just looking to have some fun, the ATTOP W10 is your go-to. But if you want something with more advanced features and don't mind spending a bit more, the FOCJANK drone is ready to elevate your flying experience. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying, and remember, buy smart, live smart. Product links are in the description.